Welcome to the future. It's Sydney 3000 AD. You're not looking at a dream, a concept render, or a distant speculation. You're flying through a living, breathing metropolis that has rewritten every rule of architecture, transportation, and human existence. As our drone sweeps low over the harbor, the first thing that strikes you is the light. It's not just sunlight, it's a wash of golden clarity. Refracted through crystalline towers that rise from the water's edge like shards of captured dawn, these luxury spires aren't built, they're grown. Nano-layered diamond glass, self-cleaning and self-repairing, reflecting the deep blue of the Pacific and the vibrant green of the hanging gardens that cascade down every tier. Each tower is a vertical city in itself, containing residences, sky parks, fusion power hubs, and AI-moderated microclimates. The harbor itself is no longer a barrier between north and south, it's the city's central plaza. Glide your eyes across the expanse, and you'll see eco-futuristic residential bridges arching gracefully from shore to shore. These are not simple crossings. They are inhabited arcs, kilometers long, where people live suspended above the water. Their undersides are translucent, allowing marine life to swim in uninterrupted light corridors below. From the drone's perspective, they appear as gentle ribbons woven from white biostone and living coral, with soft pulsing lights that sync to the rhythm of the tides. Look up and the sky tells a story of its own. It's not empty, it's orchestrated. Streams of flying vehicles trace elegant, silent arcs across the blue. They don't roar or rumble. They hum at frequencies barely perceptible to human ears, propelled by magneto-gravitic drives. There are no traffic jams, no chaos. An invisible mesh of AI traffic control distributed across every cubic meter of airspace guides each pod with millimeter precision. They glide in layered currents.
3000 AD, entertainment reborn, with humans, robots, and technology in harmony.
Concierge, could we get 2 more glasses of the sparkling hydromel?
Certainly, resident. Right away.
Sydney 3000 AD. Exclusive sky resorts redefine futuristic leisure.
Welcome to the Sydney 3000 Ocean Terminal. Priority boarding for the Lunar Shuttle is now open at Dock C.
The deep-sea AI scan is showing anomalies at 5,000 meters.
Rerouting Submarine 7 to investigate the thermal readings.
Welcome to Sydney 3000. It is my pleasure to assist you.
Thank you. The view from up here is incredible.
Sydney 3000 AD. Elite entertainment alive with humans, robots, and futuristic luxury.
Sydney 3000 AD. The harbour transformed into a luxurious futuristic paradise.
Markets of tomorrow, robots serve, humans thrive, and flyers hover above.
Sydney 3000 AD. Sky villas redefine luxury living in futuristic towers. Welcome to Sydney 3000 AD. Ocean gateways connect futuristic terminals with hyper-realistic precision. Sydney 3000 AD. A spiral view from bustling markets to futuristic towers above.
The new hydrofoils are quite remarkable in this light, aren't they?
Indeed. The bay systems predict optimal conditions all evening.
Welcome to the AI Shopping Hub. How may I assist you today?
To the future of Sydney.
Absolutely stunning, isn't it? I still can't believe the view from up here.
Sydney 3000 AD. Luxury shopping elevated into the skies.
Sydney 3000 AD. A marina of luxury where yachts fly and robots serve.
Sydney 3000 AD. Sky penthouses redefine futuristic luxury living.
The view tonight is absolutely stunning.
It truly is. I never tire of seeing the city from up here.
Would you like to try a synthesized nutrient cube? Wow, thank you. It looks delicious. Look, it brought the synth ice cream.
Enjoy your treat. Designation Charlie.
Thank you, Unit 7.
Attention. All traffic proceed to Sector Gamma. sky lanes are clear for ascent.
Thank you for the help, Unit 7.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful evening.
Here are your synthesized refreshments. Enjoy the terraces.
Thank you. The children absolutely love the holograms.
Welcome to the Grand Market. Optimizing your experience is our pleasure.
Look, Dad, the map shows the new cyber stall.
Sydney 3000 AD. Healthcare of the future, where robots and humans save lives together.
Try and catch me, Comet.
Recalculating speed. Optimal pursuit initiated.
I'll beat you both.
Welcome to Sydney Harbour 3000. Please enjoy the crystalline view and mind the aerial traffic lanes above.
Sydney 3000 AD. Futuristic streets alive with humans, robots, and flying vehicles everywhere.
Welcome to the Sky Market. How may I assist you today?
Hello, where can I find the authentic synth noodles?
Level 5, near the teleportation hub. Enjoy.
I still can't believe this view. It's stunning.
And the service here is unparalleled.
Another round of the bioluminescent cocktails, please.